So guys, before we do this, make sure you have all your important files backed up to an external drive. Now for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset PC, and now this will come up. And now you have two options right here. You could either keep your files, which is going to remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or you can go remove everything, which is going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. It's up to you what you want to go with. I'm going to be going with remove everything. And there are two ways how we can reinstall Windows. You could either do a cloud download, which is going to download and reinstall Windows. You're going to need to have an internet connection for this, or you could just go with a local reinstall. You do not need an internet connection and it's going to be faster. I'm going to be doing a local reinstall. And then once we're on this, we're going to be seeing our current settings. So my current settings are currently remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, and there's more settings right here. If you want to change any of these, you're going to click on change settings, and you can now choose your settings from here. So for me, under clean data, it says just remove your files, this is quicker but less secure. Right now it's set to no. If I set this to yes, the setting is now going to change. It's now going to be saying clean the drive, this may take hours, but will make it harder to recover files. So if I select yes, this is going to be the setting. If I change this to no, the setting will now change to this. And this is going to be the same thing for the other options right here. If you change it to yes, it will say something else. If you change it to no, it will say something else. And then once you're fine with all of this, you're going to click on confirm, and then click on next. And it's now going to be saying ready to reset this PC. It's going to be saying resetting will do all of this. You may also have some notes here that you can read. And then once you find out all of this, you're going to click on reset. It's then going to reset your PC back to factory settings.